Today you'll take your Chapter 15 vocabulary quiz for social studies. Here's your word bank. A. Revival. B. Utopia. C. Temperance. D. Normal school. E. Civil disobedience. F. Lecture. G. Author. H. Abolitionist. I. Route. J. Medical. K. Suffrage. L. Coeducation. M. Capable. N. Ministry. Number 1. This word means relating to medicine. Or it can mean help given to people who are, it's a type of help given to people who are sick or injured. Number 2 means you drink little or no alcohol. 3. This is a community that's based on the vision of a perfect society. Number 4. This is your line of travel or your path of travel. Number 5. This word is another name for a religious meeting. Number 6. This is the office and the duties of a religious leader. All the things they do are this. Number 7. This is a word that means skillful. Number 8. This is a state-supported school for training high school graduates to become teachers. I don't believe we have these anymore. Number 9. This is the teaching of male and female students together. Number 10. This is the right to vote. Number 11. This is a person who sought the end of slavery in the United States in the early and mid-1800s. Number 12. This is a word that means refusing to obey laws that are considered unjust. It is a non-violent way to push for change. Number 13. This is speech meant to provide information. It's similar to what a teacher presents. And number 14. This is a writer of books, articles, or other words.